a good sport to do if you're blind. You don't really need your eyes.
You just need your senses, touch and feel.
Probably better at feeling momentum that way too.
Announcing the men's senior advanced 132 to 145 division. Fighting on mat number 1, Zara Jalizad, Eugene Hamilton, Michael Golden, and Mark Okamura on mat number 1, men's senior advanced. 132 to 145. Zara Jalilzad, Eugene Hamilton, Michael Golden, and Mark Okamura. Please report to mat number 1.
Just a dangerous position, you know. There you go, there you go. Get the arm. Come on. Get the arm bar. Get the arm bar. Where's the guy not moving? Oh, he's got him in a figure 4, so he's not choking his nose.
No, Brett told him. Oh, now it's just a 6.
He got a Yuko. He's doing great. Oh, there we go. Woo! Got a Rosari.
Ready to get up.
Good.
All right, good judo, Clifton. Push, pull, move around. I put him on the bum. Come on, Howard.
Yuko or Yuko?
Y-U-K-O.
Get your grip.
That's the weirdest organization I've ever heard.
Keep going. All through.
Nice job, Cliff. Well, he's up.
Come on, Cliffy! Come on, babe! Woo!
That's it. It's over. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Stay there. So the other two refs disagreed with the one in the middle, and so he has to say they're right. It's not. Okay. So they changed it to a Wazari. Which stinks because he would have gone into the pin if he would have known.
Yeah.
Komi. Now, since he already hasn't, he doesn't have to hold him there the full 25 seconds.
How long
Only
is it?
15 seconds.
Okay.
And then it'll be, they call it a 20? Sorry.
Yes,
Come on, come on. Hold it, Cliff, hold it. Come on.
hold it, babe!
Yeah, he's like a